Make sure that you guys are working on those. We'll also do the Math Facts Wednesday and the NAT on Thursday. Stop videoing.
This is the math team after taking the Mandelbrot.
It's a decompression time.
I have no idea.
Why are you so jumpy, Michael Hisney? Look, hey, you want to see Michael Hisney get jumpy? Watch this.
Look at him.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Oh. Here are all our trophies for this year.
This part right here is 5/8.
This year's trophies.
5/8 each time.
Because we're super ponage. Look at these trophies.
They're all from this year.
All from this year. Mr. Cusis, aren't all these trophies from this year?
This is my weightlifting trophy. I lifted 95 pounds.
Oh, really? Did you lift 2,000 pounds for this one?
Maybe.
I had a train. Wow.
I lifted 8 pounds for this one.
Oh, 8 pounds. This one I lifted 0 pounds. Oh wait, 2004. Sorry.
That's a lot. That's a big difference.
That was a deadlift.
Matho.